Why do we never hold our winners long enough? Why are you always getting out too early when you've got the perfect entry to a trade? In this video, we're going to discuss why you get out of your trades too early and give you a few tips on how to hold on longer and get those bigger gains. Before we can figure out why you're not holding on to your winners long enough, you gotta understand the reasons why you're exiting early. You've gotta realize that we are wired to see the negative in a lot of our trading scenarios and in the world in general. As a matter of fact, you look at popular trading websites and see we have that fight or flight mentality. Our brains are simply hardwired not to fail and see those first points of fear and run to those exits. It's about overcoming that initial human response to run away from that good trade. To have some profit-taking strategies, you've got to pay yourself a little bit on the trade. This will help scratch that itch that you're going to feel when you should exit. One of the more popular ways to do this is to look at some simple trend trading exits. Sometimes they're crosses of moving averages, a little bit of dips, trading off of higher lows. So you've got to find these ways to pay yourself on the way up so that you can hold on to those bigger gains. Scratch that itch, and then you work towards holding for the big win. Some things to be aware of when you're trying to hold for that big winner are how to place your stops, understanding what stop hunting is, and how you can avoid it happening to you. In the example I'm going to show you here, you've got a simple break of a key $1 level. You're going to see the trend starting to get made on that breakout, but then you have a dip below that breakout price. It hunts stops below that break and then suddenly accelerates to the upside. If you just lazily put your stop at that exact previous high, all that's going to happen to you is stop out right before you go off toward the moon. So one of the things you want to avoid is having the obvious stop. Give yourself a little bit more room on that pullback so when everyone else is getting hunted, you're holding on to that trade. Notice how you're putting in higher lows the entire way up. That is an unbroken trend, and you want to make sure you're holding on to it. Another effective way to make sure you're holding on to that trade is to engage in some sort of back testing. Understand the actual range of what is that you're trading. Why would you hold on to try to get $4 out of a trade if the average range is 60 cents to that upside? You've got to understand how a stock moves, have a look at what a big day might be, and where some obvious levels of resistance are going to be. So as you approach the next one, if it breaks out, what is that gap? If there's another 15 to 20% on board, then you want to make sure you're holding on to that next level. When in doubt, zoom out and see where a stock has gotten from and where it can go into that future. Hanging on to a trend is more than just getting a good entry point. It also involves understanding where to put some profit targets and where you might run into some resistance and hold for each of those big resistance levels. Scratch that itch, but make sure you're holding it till that next gap. So to summarize, the reason you're not hanging on to those winners is that fight or flight mechanism that we all have ingrained in us. You're going to see those negatives coming first and want to exit your trade. It's important thus to have a profit-taking strategy. Scratch that itch so that you get a piece out and can hold for more. Don't get stop hunted. Understand that you might want to have some moving averages or other indicators that can give you a reason to hold on to the trade and where to get out. Higher highs, higher lows. Those are the kind of things you want to focus on. And of course, in the end, know the average true range of a stock. Where can it go so that you know what you're trying to hold on to? Hope you've learned a lot here about how to hold on to your winners longer. And as always, check out our live show daily at 8:30 with Trader TV Live.